What is up, you guys? My name is Rachel Glam. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this acrylic marble nail using all Valentino Beauty Pure. So if you want to see how I did this look, stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so to start off today, I obviously already have my form on my nail. I'm going to be sculpting out a thin clear base using crystal clear acrylic from Valentino and my rose gold Kolinsky brush. I believe this one is a size 12. I could be wrong, but I think it's a size 12. And we're just gonna push the acrylic into the shapes that we want. Today I'm going for a coffin shape, and we want this to be thin, like I said, just because we're going to be building on top of it. When I am sculpting out a clear base, I like to work super clean, or as clean as I possibly can. So if you guys notice, I use the body of my brush to clean up the sides, make sure that the acrylic isn't leaking down the form, or dripping down the form, I guess, not leaking. But yeah, I use the body of my brush to push the acrylic into the shape that I want. And this part is just going to ensure that we don't have a whole lot of filing to do afterwards. So I like to try and work super clean when I'm sculpting, especially this clear base, because this is going to be the foundation of the entire nail. So once you're done with that clear base, we're going to take Exposed and Soft Touch, or honestly whatever two colors you want to use. These are just what I'm using, and I like to go in with the lighter color and then the darker color, dip them in, and we're going to place them onto the nail. And there's really no rhyme or reason to this part. I honestly just set the acrylic down. I'll wet my brush a little more and just kind of move the acrylic into some jaggedy lines, making it look like a marble nail. If you need some inspiration for this, you can Pinterest or Google marble nails or marble designs, crystal designs. I just kind of go with the flow on this part. I'll add more acrylic where I feel like it needs it, but I will just kind of move the acrylic around. I work a little more wet during this part just so the acrylic kind of bleeds a little more, so that way there is some lighter spots and some darker spots, really giving it that marble effect. And really just play around with this part. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's the nice part about a marble design, is not every marble nail is exactly the same. Once you are happy with your design, we're going to go back in with crystal clear and clear cap the entire design. Once you're done clear capping your design, it should look like this. I'm going to pop the form off and go file, and then we'll be back for more detail work. Alright, just to add a little more detail, I am going in with my liner brush and Valentino's gel polish number 61, which is this really pretty champagne gold glitter. You could also use an acrylic glitter if you wanted to add more detail, and you would have done that before you clear capped, obviously, but I just wanted to try out this glitter, this gel polish glitter, so this is how I'm doing it. So then once I was done with the gold glitter, I wanted to add just a little more detail just to make it look a little more realistic. So I went in with my white gel polish and my liner brush, and again just did the same thing I did with the gold glitter and just kind of outlined the lines that I already had with the white. Once I was done making my little white details, I went in with a cleanup brush and some alcohol and went along those lines just to dilute the white a little more. I didn't want the white lines to be so harsh and bright. I wanted it to blend with the entire nail. So doing this technique kind of bled out the color a little more, but also kept in the fine detail that I wanted. Once you're all done, go ahead and top coat your design. I went in with a shiny top coat this time, or my glossy top coat. You could also do matte, Honestly, it just depends on whatever you want. Alright, you guys, here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and we will see you in the next one.